Inject tube is a system designed to be laid in between two concrete slabs, so within a cold joint. It is applied before the cold joint is formed, giving you the ability to go back after the concrete has cured and inject into that cold joint from the center. The system works with 4 different components. First, you have the inject tube itself. You have your clips to secure it down. You have your inject screws with the Zerk fitting at the end. This is used to either end one end of the inject tube. Then you have your inject sleeve. The sleeve is used by inserting into one end of the inject tube. It would hang off from that cold joint. You'd use the other inject screw with the Zerk and hook up with your Zerk coupler and inject.